Everything I do is foreign, you know what I mean? Yeah, foreign. Yeah, you see my whip, you know it's foreign. I'm so foreign. Then you see my girl, you know she foreign. I'm in Lauren. You've been wearing.
Hey, good morning, guys. Thanks for joining us again for another episode of That Pilot Guy. It is a cold morning here in Atlanta. It's like, I don't know, about 30 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like -1 degree Celsius or so. I mean, I even just about slipped on that ice right there. It was water. Anyways, all right, so we got to go do a little bit of work on one of the Cessna 172s. So I'm going to stop freezing and let's go get the plane. Man, I don't know if you guys can hear that. We're sitting in the plane right now. But the wind is just ridiculous out here. I mean, holy crap, man. Right while I was getting the camera set up, getting the GoPro turned on and ready to film and all that, the wind was just blowing the plane like crazy. I mean, goodness gracious, man. I wish I had the GoPro on a little sooner so you guys could have heard that. It was pretty intense. But anyways, all right, let's give this old Cessna a shot or two of primer. Man, it is cold out here. It's not wanting to cooperate. Good grief. I can't even tell if it's priming well. All right, well, let's try that. I hope this thing starts up because it's gonna be a pain in the butt if I have to go get the golf cart and tow this thing in the cold. It's just gonna be miserable because it's so windy. Okay, everything should be good. Fuel's on both. We primed it full rich. I'll do just a little bit of throttle here. Scoot my seat up just a little bit. Well, that's too much. Hold on. That's better. Okay. Clear prop. No one's around us. Let's see if she'll fire up. Come on, baby. Oh, yes. Good girl. Thank you, Jesus. All right, let's watch for that oil pressure to come up. It's coming up, but it sure is slow. Because it's so cold outside that the oil is thick. So it's taking a long time for that oil pressure to come up. Well, that's my bad. I was gonna put the whole GoPro head thingy back on and film shutting it down and, you know, do the whole thing, but I'm just too damn cold and I totally forgot, so that's my bad. But anyways, that's done. Plane's warmed up. So all we gotta do now is put the control lock back on, which is this little guy right here. See if I can do this like this real quick. There we go. And now let's get out and position it a little better for where we need it to be. Holy crap, it's cold. Get the engine real good and hot before you start doing the oil change, and it's going to help that really thick oil drain out. The oil on airplanes is a really thick oil when it's even at room temperature, but when it gets cold, it's like molasses. So you warm the engine up, preheat the engine, fire it up, let it run, let it get hot, and it'll drain a whole lot quicker, which is what we're doing right now, draining the oil into this catch can right here. And then once that's finished, we'll move on, and we gotta not forget to pay that strut a little bit of attention, because it's not supposed to be that low.
The other day I heard you were out wearing your red and blue. He held your hand, can't stay alone, you know it's true. Flashing lights try to disturb my view from here. I can't see clear. Did you ever think there's more for us than what we know? Drinking champagne, crowd is packed outside my door. People we meet never seem to look you in the eye. Such a fabulous lie.
Alright guys, well I think that about does it for this episode. It's been a long cold day, so I'm ready to go home,
take a shower. Well, no, wait. I'm ready to get in my car, go eat a big ass meal, eventually get home, and then take a shower, let the dog out, usual stuff. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Definitely like and subscribe. That's going to be a big help to me. Leave some comments below on stuff you guys might want to see. And yeah, you guys have a good day. See you.